folks, welcome and thanks for coming back. I've got some real exciting news today. I just took delivery of a 6 by 12 foot cargo trailer that I plan on transforming into a off-road toy hauler capable of getting some remote forest locations. It will be totally self-contained and solar powered. I'll take you outside in a minute and give you a look of it and walk around and tell you what I plan for the build. My goal is to record everything as I build it and give you an idea of what goes into this. This will be my third build. I plan on putting about 10-minute videos or less on a regular basis as I build this. So if you've not already subscribed, please like and subscribe and get notifications. You can follow along as I transform this 6 by 12 foot cargo trailer into an off-road toy hauler. So let's go outside and take a look. All right, so here we are outside. Take a brief walk around this thing and kind of tell you what I have planned. So this is a 6 by 12. I've got this thing sitting on a Lightpert 5,200 pound axle, and I've got the a 3-tube tongue on this thing. So as it's built, and what the sticker says, it's capable of 5,200 pounds gross vehicle weight. So being about 1,850 pounds stock, I've got over 3,000 pounds I can build into this between the conversion and any payload. So anyway, as you can see, I've got an RV door put on this thing. It's set back 24 inches from the front. That'll be important inside later. There's a window. Come around back, I got barn doors on this thing. I didn't do the ramp this time, and I'll explain some of that later when I get inside, but it'll have to do with where my electrics and how I'm going to mount the air conditioner and all that. But I still will be able to open this door and pull a ramp out from the bottom and get the motorcycles in. Look on this side here. I will be putting windows in on both sides, so you'll see 2 windows going on each side. And you'll see the electrical outlets, the inputs, the water inputs, and all those things. And on the front here, I will be building on a box that will hold the gas tank, or the propane gas tank, and some storage up front on this big tongue. I've got some plans for the front here too. To put modify that so I can put a drill on to raise that up and down. My tailgate does clear when it goes down, and I've got some jacks to put under the front and a few other things. Right now the axles are overslung. I don't know if I'm going to undersling them or not. It's a straight axle. I got good clearance, but I do want to put some off-road tires on this thing, and I'm not so sure that that fender will have room. But we'll see. That's always something I can do later. So anyway, let's go inside. All right, the doors are open. Really not much to see in here. This is 6 by 12. So this is a flat nose. You'll notice the flat nose in here. I did this for a couple reasons. I wanted more room on the tongue out there for storage. Also, it's a little easier to build the cabinets up and stuff like that up front here. But I will have cabinets coming back from the front. First 24 inches on this front half. Over this side will be a shower, which will also be a place for the toilet to be. So I have a shower. You'll see the windows and stuff going in. Right now, my first job is to get all this plywood off. You can see they put these stupid, they're almost like a screw nail, and I'm going to have to drill these out. This really disappoints me. They told me they weren't going to do that. But anyway, so I'll be putting insulation in, 2 inches in the roof. I'll put furring strips along, put insulation in the first inch, and then put furring strips. I got to pull all the walls down, put insulation in the walls, put the plywood back up. Floors have to come out. Totally take the floor out. While I have the floor out, I'll be painting the frame really well. They do a poor job of that. I've got a gray water tank that goes in, and then I'll put 2 inches of insulation on the floor as well. And then I'll start with the framing. I'll have a wall going in the back, a sub wall that'll come in on just about 1/3 of this right side. And the air conditioner will be mounted in that. There'll be a vent out the back door. And I'll have like an area in there for an electrical closet with the batteries, solar powered stuff, all that kind of thing. So when the door opens up, the 1/3 of it will have a little wall in here. On the inside of that wall, the air conditioner will be hanging out. I plan shelves along the top up here with baskets. I don't know if I'm going to put doors on it yet. Some of those things are kind of fluid in my mind. Haven't made up final decisions. But yeah, this is the inside of it. So the goal here is to make a toy hauler that I'll be able to get a motorcycle in on this right side. I'll still be able to deploy a bed over here and stay in it with the motorcycle, albeit very tight. And when I take it out, I'll have a table that will go up right here. So please like and subscribe if you haven't already, as I mentioned, and follow along as I start this build.